Hello? Not doing a video. What you doing? But oh my god, guys, look at this. This is the Afrique palette by JUVIAS. Oh, this palette is so exciting. Do you see that yellow? Aya! This is a beautiful yellow. And again, guys, with JUVIAS palettes, they come with interesting names that I might seem illiterate and can't pronounce and sound very ignorant. So I am not going to say any of the names that I cannot pronounce. Then also it comes with two blushes. One is in Bella, which is this one right here. And then look, has a mirror. This is the first anything from JUVIAS that has a mirror on it, and I think this is so cool. Just imagine the mirror on this, like the Serafina, which is this right here. This is another blush. You get two with the collection, and this one is a beautiful shade, guys. And then this one is the Bella shade. Oh, look at this. These are so pretty. And then also in the collection, there is a liquid lip, which is the matte liquid lipstick from JUVIAS. And like, look at this packaging. Oh, it is to die for. Like, and then you just slide it on out. It looks like a coffin. That's weird, I'm sorry, but it does. Ooh, let's look at the wand. Oh, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, now that we got our base blended, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Afrique palette. And honey, I don't know what we're gonna do, but look at these shades. They are so pretty. So first, I think I'm gonna go in with the transition shade right here of mine, and then we're gonna blend. So we're gonna make sure you lift your lids so you can actually get like right up in there. And then just blend it out. This is gonna be a very cool tone. This is like a very cool tone transition shade. That is a beautiful transition shade though. I'm not used to using like cool tone transition shades, but this is like, this is dope. I like this a lot. Alright, now that we have that as our transition shade, we're gonna go in with, I think that orange shade right there, and we're gonna deepen our crease, and then we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna add the other colors. I'm going to be using this brush right here from the Go collection. I'm gonna mix Cameroon and that purple shade in the palette. I love this. This palette is so neat. It's blending out so well. So well. So now I'm going to jump back into the shade right here. And we're just going to blend out it. We're going to blend out the transition shade a little bit more at the top. There we go. That looks so good.
Looks good, girl.
Then we're going to go in with this blue shade right here. That is super pigmented. I think that is beautiful. I think that is so beautiful. Now what shade should we use? I really want to use that dark blue, like the entwine, but I think I'm going to use a little bit of that green.
I'm gonna use a little bit of that green. Should I use a little bit of that green?
Now we're going to go back into that blue shade, and then we're just going to tap it around that. I feel like this is like a very Mother Nature look. Like, alright, now that we have that down, I think I'm gonna cut the rest using my my milk pencil right here. Alright, now that we have our nice white, we're gonna go in with another shade. I wanna go in with, I think we're gonna do the yellow. We're gonna do vibrant. Vibrant. And I'm gonna be using a very sharp, rounded pencil brush for that. And now I think I'm gonna put that white shade in there. And I'm just gonna get my finger wet.
Get my finger wet. Get my finger wet.
That is blinding. Ooh, that is so like retro.
So beautiful. Ow.
That is so good. That's so good. So good. I am so glad I stayed up to film this video. We're going to wipe this powder off my face. The excess powder, the loose. Because I'm not going to do a wing today. We're not doing a wing. But I do got to do my brows off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got our brows on, okay, on and how I want them to be. You know, they're very mischievous, very cute. We're going to set my face one more time. That's just so pretty how the light hits it like that. It looks like aluminum foil. We need mascara. Where's my bad girl man? Alright. Now we're going to add our lashes. Alright, now that we got them to get on, we're going to let these dry and then we're going to jump down to the bottom lash. However, guys, I did get a little bit of my mascara on my under eye, so I got to do really just take this and rub it back and forth and it will just come right off. Just like that. Boom, gone. We're going to go into Cameroon and that nice purple shade and blend the two together. And then we're going to smoke that out underneath the eye right there. Alright, now that we got that, we're going to go in with that yellow shade. And then we're going to smoke that out right up in the front a little bit. And then we're going to put it right under where we got the nice little inner highlight at. Ooh, there we go. There we go. A little bit of Bad Girl mascara. Then we're going to go into the loose highlighter, Nefertiti. I love this highlighter. Highlighting brush, and we're just going to blend that out. Shine bright like a diamond. Now we're gonna get into Afrique. Afrique, I love this. This is a nice bluish red tone. So let's see if this looks good with this look. Ooh, do you see how bold that red is? Now don't mind the application. I kind of got a little messy. Should have used the lip liner. Alright guys, so the Afrique collection comes with an eyeshadow palette. This palette is fucking amazing. I got the collection and it was $40, but I hit up with another sale, the 30% off, and I got it for $33 and some change with free shipping. So your boy got that. This Juvia's Place lip in the shade Afrique is a wonderful shade. I have it on now. And this red is just so like bold. I love it. I love this lip. I also used today Nefertiti for the highlighter. Yes, it's all Juvia's haul again. And then we have the two blushes. I used both of them today just to try them out. I dipped in this first, but it was a little too red. So then I jumped into this one, and it has more like a peachy pink, and both together just made this beautiful ombre of a blush. I love it so much, and that's today's video. It's a wrap. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and please hit that like button. Also leave a comment and let me know how your day was. And I hope you have a wonderful night, day, evening, whatever time it is. But it's time for me to go to bed because I have to go back to work. And yes, I have to go to my real job because, honey, YouTube is not paying the bills that hospital is. I love you guys. See you later.